it's Vicki Marie, and today I'm going to take you along. I just got a couple errands to run. I'm not really doing a whole ton of shopping or anything, so I'm going to just run errands. I thought I would chat with you a bit. It's Friday, yay! I know Dawn is super excited that it's Friday, and I'm sure, let me know, is it your Friday? You know, you guys might be watching this on a totally different day. So, oh, is there a car behind me? Oh, no. Okay, gotta show you guys. So the other day I drove by and there was one chair out. Now there's two chairs. Okay, yeah, so those chairs, there was just one chair the other day and now there's two chairs. And it's just funny, so they're multiplying on the corner. I've still got hair in my eyes. I'm still having this kind of redness. And I wanted to shout out to Barbara Jean, Age is Just a Number, because she had said that she is using, I think she's using apple cider vinegar in a bowl on her counter. She just has it sitting there. When she walks by, she just kind of puts her, you know, gets some on her finger, and then she pats it around her eyelids, which is where she was having the problem. And then at night, she's putting coconut oil on it. So I started doing that. Okay, I have no makeup on, nothing on my face at all today, I'm just trying to go makeupless without anything till it clears up, because I have an event to go to tomorrow night. I want to wear makeup to that event. I got to dress up. I'm wearing a dress and everything. I'm going to share a little more about that on a different video. But yeah, so I'm like, thank you, Barbara Jean, because that's what I've been doing, and I do think it's helping. It doesn't itch anymore at all. It just, you know, still looks a little red, and you know. So I'm going to jump on here. I'm getting ready to get on the highway. It'll get loud. So I'm going to pop in a little shop with me here that I filmed a couple days ago at Save a Lot. Let's just do that right here, and then I'll come back in a minute and show you what's next. This little store is right down the street from me, and as an empty nester, sometimes I find it's just so overwhelming to go into the big stores all the time, like Walmart and, you know, the bigger superstores. So and I get overwhelmed and I end up buying more than I really need, and I do some panic buying. And some of these smaller stores actually have really good prices, and I found some of them comparable or even better than Walmart, but you do have to compare shop. So this is helping me to just get some of my shopping done. So I spent $9.97 in Save-A-Lot, all on food items. So I'm pretty happy with that. Let me show you what I bought. I found that Sara Lee whole wheat bread there. I'm just looking at my receipt. That was actually, darn it, where is it? Oh, $2.99. The bananas were, I paid $1.07, so they were 57 cents a pound, and that was actually cheaper than Walmart. I'm pretty sure Walmart was, it was either 56 or 58, I think something like that. And I got a small thing of milk. We waste milk if we get too much. I don't really need that much milk, but for the 2% Meadow Gold milk, let's see, this is 1 quart. I paid $1.89. And then the 2 tomatoes, the tomatoes were the Roma tomatoes, 49 cents a pound, so I paid 78. $1.49 a pound, I paid 73 cents for the 2 tomatoes. And then the wavy potatoes, or the wavy original bag of chips, and these are 7 3/4 ounce. Those were $3.29. So that's my haul, y'all. All right, so now I'm in the parking lot at Albertsons. I'm gonna run in and just get some cupcakes. I'm gonna see if they have some Roscoe's Doggy Bones, and see if they have any creamer. I'm just thinking in my mind, what are some of the things that I have got to have on stock that I can't always find at the store. So yeah, so as I'm running here just to get cupcakes, I am gonna be mindful of a couple of things. I know that I need to make sure I stay stocked up on. I don't want to run out of coffee creamer, so I check the coffee creamer shelf everywhere I go. So I'm not going to do a shop with me this time. I'll just share with you guys what I bought. I'm just taking you along on my day. So yep, I'll just run in, I'll check back in with you guys and show you my little haul. It'll be very small, y'all. So I went to Albertsons, bought a few things. I spent $82.60. Oh my, what did I buy? Well, let's find out. I bought a box of 30 pound pedigree variety dog food. And, you know, it's got the hickory smoked chicken, the filet mignon, beef noodles, and vegetables. Roscoe likes these, so I bought this. $20.49. Regular price is $22.99, and I saved $2.60. So hopefully I'm doing the math right. Okay, and then I got some Pete's coffee, and this was $27.99. And I got the Major Dickinson's Blend 32 K-Cups, dark roast. And yeah, ouch. And then I bought some, for $8.39, I bought some of the Smokehouse chicken breast strips for Roscoe. He likes them. I just break them into half or even thirds, and it makes a nice little treat for him. He used to like the little chicken chips, but I never see them anymore, so I get these chicken breast strips. I got some of the Sargento Sharp Cheddar, Natural Cheddar cheese sticks. These were regularly $6.29, and I got $1.30 off of that. It says 12 of the 90 calorie snack. I think there's like 24 little strips in there, and I guess they consider two a serving. So yeah, 12 servings. Well, it says serving size 1 piece, but there's more than 12 in here. I was trying to figure that out. I'm like, 1, 2, yeah, it's a double. I think there are 2 in there or something, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's more than 12 in there. So anyway, it's 9 ounces. Yep, 9 ounces of cheese. Okay, I spent $7.96 on these little Celebrate candles, and I'm going to be putting these on the cupcakes I bought. I bought a dozen cupcakes. I'm going to put one on each of the cupcakes and spell out Celebrate. They didn't have Happy Birthday, and the cupcakes were $9.99. Right, there's the cupcakes, 12 of them. And this one tumped over, but they're real pretty. I like Albertsons bakery items, and yeah, and it's just just a little bit of frosting. I was gonna buy a cake, and I just decided to go with cupcakes because they don't have the sweet tooth like I do, and I'm trying to behave. So that's my haul, y'all. Well, that's gonna be it today. I just thought I would take you guys along and share that little Save-A-Lot haul that I did the other day, and then show you what I'm buying today. And I know I've just been kind of taking you guys on along for all these hauls, but tomorrow I will be going to an event. I'll be getting dressed up. I paint my nails today, and I'll talk to you guys more about that on a different video. But yeah, some other stuff going on, yeah, I do more than just hauls around here. I do vloggy style videos, just trying to stay upbeat and really just encourage anyone who's over 50 to just jump in there and have fun and vlog, do whatever brings you joy, because life is just too darn short. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching today. If you haven't already, I hope you'll subscribe and click that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.